Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Toya. I created this look earlier today. If you are interested in how I create this look, then please keep on watching. Firstly, I'm applying foundation first. I have already primed my skin. I'm gonna apply Fenty Beauty and Milani #1. I'm gonna mix both of them together. Apply it all over my face and blend with my brush from Sigma F80. Blend it very well into my skin. Make sure there's no harsh line. I'm priming my eyes with Maybelline Concealer to preparing my eyelids for the eyeshadow, and just press it down into my eyelid and crease. I'm just gonna set my eyes with translucent powder from Mercier. I'm gonna apply it to all over my eyes and eyelids, and also for my eyebrow too. That's the way your eyebrow can stay whole day. Today I will be using Morphe 35O palette. I'm gonna mixing these two color, orb and tan, and mix it all of them together in my crease. This is gonna be my transition, and just make sure blend there's no harsh line in there. Be mixing Flux and Contour, these two shades, and apply it to my under my transition shade to give a little definition into my crease. Mixing in the Zone, Brave, and Rich, these three color. I'm gonna mix it all of them together and smudge into my outer corner of my eyes and in the corner of my eyes, and slowly connect. Using this black shade and brown shade, mix these two together and apply it closer to my lash line and smudge them carefully. Alright, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Concealer to create the halo effect, and then I'm gonna conceal the middle of my eyes. I'm using the flat angle brush. I'm just gonna use this white shade from Huda Beauty, call it Bay. I'm just gonna set the concealer I applied earlier today. Using this glitter from Stilla, it's called Diamond Dust. I applied it in my middle of my eyes. I'm just gonna mix Orb and Tan, Pound and Stone, these four shades. I'm just gonna mix it and apply it to under my eyes. So apply a little bit glitter under my eyes as well. Eyeliner, I'm gonna using LA Girl Eyeliner, and I'm using Sigma Beauty eyeliner brush. Contour, I'm gonna using M.A.C Cosmetic color Harmony. For the blush, I'm using Urban Decay, this pink blush. I'm gonna use it. The palette name is Naked on the Run. I don't know exactly what's the blush name. Okay, for a highlighter, I'll be using Wet n Wild highlighter. Just highlight my cheeks and high point of my face. the lip, I will be using Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I love this pinkish color. It's really nude and nice color, goes with every makeup.